Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Mercari profile. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Mercari account and there are a lot of items that you're selling there and you want to go ahead and share it to someone. How do you actually go ahead and share your Mercari profile? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, on the upper right-hand corner, click on the share icon next to the question mark. And then this is where you could actually share it to Facebook, Twitter, Messages, or copy a link. So once you copy this link, you should see that it's been copied to your clipboard, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your Mercari profile. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.